For new recipe every Wednesday, please subscribe my channel. It's free and press bell icon so you get notification when I upload new videos. Namaste ji, welcome to Itnaa Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa Nilaj, your daughter-in-law from Albania. We are back after a week as always, but this time बहुत खुश मैं हूँ because I got so many good comments and good response about Albanian dish pastiche which I cooked last week. So because of that, today also I'm going to cook for you an Albanian dish. What is that? I don't have a gas. I am not going to use oven, but I'm going to cook for you. Sometimes we don't need oven and gas to cook. That special thing which I'm going to cook today is, let's call it as a pickle, because here in India we have different kind of pickles. So that also is a Albanian pickle. So that is made with Shimla Mirchi. Let's check ingredients. We need Shimla Mirchi, garlic, salt, oil, red chili. So we take Shimla Mirchi. We have to wash before. So I have already washed. And we are going to take a cloth and we have to make it wet. Do not use a wet one, otherwise the dish will not come well. It will become soft and it's not good at all. So proper clean, proper. Even the lines here, it should not be wet at all. Just dry proper. We are almost done. We are done. Now we are going to cut Shimla Mirchi in two parts. Once we cut in two parts, we have to check inside, is it clean or no. I'm going to remove this part. We don't need. Just remove the seeds. And cut this kind of pieces. See, come and see. We have done cutting with Shimla Mirchi. Now I'm keeping this aside, and we need this kind of jar. It can be bigger, it can be smaller size, but what is important is we have to find a jar which is tightly closed. It should be tightly closed because we are going to keep Shimla Mirchi closed for 15 days and we should not open it. Okay, we are going to add, as it is, Shimla Mirchi. Add at least 7 to 8 pieces, and then we are going to add other ingredients which we have: garlic, salt, red chili, oil. We'll add in the end. We are going to add 2-3 pieces of garlic. We need one red chili. We are going to cut in half and keep aside. You keep properly that you have to manage the space. Keep pressing a little bit. Again, add layer of garlic. We have to keep adding layers. One layer of green mirchi, one layer of garlic, and red chili. We have to go like that. Again, keep on the side. Let's add a little more. Thoda tika acha laga. And it's a pickle in the end. Again, add green mirchi. It's very fresh. I do suggest when you buy green mirchi in the market, do get a very fresh one, because sometimes vegetable wala do tell us na bahut fresh hai madam, bahut fresh hai, but check it proper, because if it is not fresh, then we are not going to get a good taste. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. And again, add green mirchi. Keep it on the side. I'm adding one more. I'm adding garlic. And the last one. Wow. So nice. I'm going to add salt. It's very important. It gives a very good taste. This is optional. Just regular. And I'm going to add oil. That's why I added salt on top. I didn't add salt layers because salt automatically will go down with oil. We are done. How fast it is. Proper tight. See? It is so nice. In Albania, what we do is, we cook this when is the vegetable season, because in Albania it's not that we do have vegetable season anytime, which is spring and summer. We do cook, at least we make in a big jar 20, 30, 40 in one time, and we keep for the entire winter. The best thing about this is, if you cook proper, you make proper the way I did, it shouldn't be wet. If it is properly made and it is closed, you can keep for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, as long as you want. But in case you open it and you just check and you try to close, it's not good, it's not going to work anymore. So now we are going to keep this as it is for 15 days. After 15 days, we can open it and we can serve. We can serve with rajma, we can serve with chole, we can eat with whatever you want. You just try and check, because you may develop a different kind of taste, you may like and you may not like, it depends. But it's little sour it is, and it is very nice. So I think everyone is going to love it, because we do eat pickle here also. So now after 5 to 6 days, if you go and check this, you may realize that this part goes down. It will keep going down and gravy will come, little kind of water will come. Okay, so now I'm keeping aside and we have to open it after 15 days. Hello friends, we are back after 15 days to check pickle. We are not back after 15 days because I have made another one 15 days before, just to show you how is the difference. Do we see that here is become less now and here is more? I told you there is a kind of gravy which comes. So this gravy we can eat it very good when we mix with rajma and chole. So now I'm going to open it. It has a very good taste. And one more trick, when you open it and check, in case it is little hard, it's proper. In case it becomes very soft, then it's not good. It means we haven't cooked it properly. And now it's time to serve. Pickle, rajma and roti is ready. We are going to taste it. बहुत yummy. Very good. It is so yummy. We have added red chili, we have added garlic, oil and salt. All those ingredients have mixed beautifully together, and it is little tikka. Even the water which we have added in rajma, it is so nice. It is, gives such a good taste with the gravy, with the rajma. So this is very good. You can keep in home for long time. You can keep in your tiffin, you can take it when you go to your office, and you can eat with whatever you want, with poha, with rajma, with chole, and you can try with other stuff also. friends, this was today's recipe and we are going to meet next week. You remember in the last video we spoke about Albania, one Albanian personality. She used to live in India. And yes, I got so many comments about her. She is Mother Teresa. She is Albanian. And of course, she is Indian too. I also feel Indian. But friends, we are going to meet next week. Tap tak. Do you want to learn how to say DHANYAWAD, Namaste in Albania? So please learn and comment.